Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorial, and today I'll show you the logo which is the signature type photography logo. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So going to the file at first, here from the Illustrator, going to the file and taking new options and taking artboard 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel, taking RGB for the web purpose and CMYK for the print purpose. Whichever do you like, you can take this one and giving the name. And then hit the create button, and after that going to the text tool, write something, increase the text size, write down the name, so this one is our name, and making this one bigger by pressing shift. And after that we'll go to the font which is the moving skate and making this one bigger. Okay, that's fine. And then right press and create outline. This one is no longer font now because of we made it create outline. And then again going to the text and write down the photography into the normal type fonts like Poppins or Avenir, whatever do you like. So after writing this one, press Ctrl or Command A for all selection, making it all caps, and give some gaps between two letters and making the font size smaller like this. That's good. And you can increase the gap between two letters by 400. That's good. Select all the stubs, making into the middle of this and making group. So you can make some version like this one is a black version. If you want, you can make this one into white version. So for that you have to take another like a rectangle or square shape which is 2000 and 2000 and hit OK. And that is the black color. I'm taking this one 90% black and making this one middle of the artboard, align to the artboard and like this, and select this and going to the white color and taking this one over there, so this portion. Okay, we have to make this one into back layer. Now this one, so we can make some PNG files because of if we want to put it in our photography or your photography, you have to make this one PNG, which is really helpful. So right press and export selection, logo white for the white colors, and from here select the directory, save, choose one, this one the 300 pixel per inch and PNG format, and export the assets. And then again the black one, right press and export selection and black logo and export the asset. So this one and 2. Now how to apply in your photography? Going to the Photoshop file, going to the file and open up. Suppose you have some photography like any sort of photography it could be. So going to the downloads, let's find out some photography. Hit OK. This one could be your photography. Going to the file and place embedded. So in this case we'll go to that logo, suppose white one, this one, and making it smaller, and you can put it down or top, wherever do you like. So placing over there, here is some opacity, make it down. Okay, that's fine, you can use it. And now you can go into the file and save, copy as, and JPEG, and final version you can just make this one another output. And now you can upload your photography. Suppose this one is ready for that. And if you want to get mock-up, actually like this, and double press in this smart object and turn off the stubs, all the stubs. Selecting this, right press or select all the stubs and make copy by pressing Ctrl or Command C and Ctrl or Command V for the paste and making it bigger. Yeah, that's fine. And save this one. It will save into the next window. Actually in this window you are getting like this. And I'll provide you the PSD file. I downloaded this one from freepik.com. Provide you that link in my video description. Please check it out for the mockup. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And in the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.